Are these the questions that are important to you? Sure, managing a store with 2 or 3 baking stations is relatively easy. What happens though if you grow and expand your business, if you acquire more and more baking stations? If the spatial distances get larger? How are you going to keep an eye on everything then? What if you had the ideal operations management tool that keeps you informed at all times about how your baking stations are configured and what is happening in them? A tool that allows you to display your organizational structure one-to-one, exactly as it is. A tool that makes it possible for you to organize all relevant data and information about your baking stations and share it in an orderly manner. A tool that makes sure all the data and information that your outlet employees need is always available and up to date at every baking station. Imagine that you could plan the workday in your outlets, individually or in groups, and then monitor how successfully your plans are working out. Imagine that if there are problems, service employees could directly access each individual station and thus provide fast, remote support. Imagine having access to comprehensive reports and meaningful key figures about baking quality, for example, or freshness, availability, capacity, and many other relevant topics. And all this 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, on any smart device with an internet connection, with a security architecture that is second to none. You'll be happy to hear that everything you just imagined is already reality with Miwe, of course. The Miwe Shop Baking Suite. All the best for your business.